Hey guys, I just came here to the West Beach near the airport where we just took a photo of the planes that was flying by and also of the scenery. I will show you guys the photo and you guys can let me know what you guys think. And here we got a Singapore airline just flying by. I'm shooting with the 70 to 300 millimeter lens and this looks amazing, bro. I will just shut up now and let you guys enjoy the video. This is a really nice place, man. This is cool. The airport's over there. The plane takes off from this side across, which looks super nice.